It's a story of a boy named Cookie, who is intelligent and smart but lost his academic grades to lowest. Keep watching to know the reasons.
Oh, I don't know what is going to be the result.
Cookie, I have noticed you take so much tension. I know you are a good student and takes interest in studies, but being your teacher, I want to tell you that it is good to work hard, but there is a difference between working hard and stressing out.
Yes, Madam Whitney. You are right. But it really stresses me out when I think about the grades.
Just work hard. And don't stress out. Anyway, your result of a semester will be displayed in a while.
Oh, I am so happy.
Congratulations, Cookie. You have stood first in class. Keep it up, boy.
Thank you so much, Madam.
Work hard for next semester. Good luck.
Of course I will, Madam.
Cookie, it was your result day. How much you scored?
Mom, I stood first in class. I am so happy.
Oh, good. But it does not mean you stop studying. I want you to maintain this position.
Yes, Mom. But I want to go out with my friends today.
Okay, you can go out with your friends today. But you must start studying from tomorrow.
Yes, Mom, for sure. I have final exams in 2 months. What if I failed? What if my grades fall? Oh, I can't focus on preparation. I feel like drowning. How everyone is going to react? Mom will punish me. Oh, I feel so scared. It's like I will faint out of fear. Nobody believes in me, no matter how good I perform in exams. My head is exploding.
Good morning, students. I hope you have prepared well for your final examination. It would start from Monday. Hey, Cookie. Are you all right? You seem confused. What's the matter, boy?
I don't know, Miss Whitney. I can't focus on my studies. I feel panicked for my grades. I think I could not achieve anything. I will be punished by my parents if I failed in my exams.
But Cookie, you have always been a good student. You have a good academic record. And I know you will perform good this time too. What are you afraid of? What is bothering you?
I don't know, Miss Whitney.
Cookie was a good student, but he never got proper attention and appreciation from his parents and family. And so much pressure on his mind does not let him concentrate his studies. That is why he could not prepare for his exams. Appreciation is a key. When your child performs well or does something really good, always reward him. Acknowledge his efforts and appreciate him. This will help him perform in healthy ways in his studies. Because his grades can never be increased if he has so much pressure and burden on his mind. Rather, it will make him anxious and panicked.